I want to send some message out there. Sometimes when my team, we put things out, and I say be a time will be, and we hate people. There's nothing I'll put, and also my team will put on my platform and you're verified. No. And I want to set some records here.
Kevin Taylor didn't send me a betuja or the four. Me and I say, also Tema Port for almost discover 500 cars and go for the area. 500 cars plus excavators. And see why Owie or can be different. Oil for gold, home. Oil for gold in Sunday and or Kafa home. Or say a scam. DT and a Kevin Taylor can't say oil for gold in a scam. Obusha come on your video. Instagram Kevin Taylor editor about 500 stealing cars no. Embra.
Now, there's something I want us to talk about, very important, and it's got to do with in Yomabia AC Ewo Tema Port. Tema Port. Right now, as I speak to you, no.
This is a Zinga TV.
Tema Port, and this goes to the boggers. And Abana Amufre Fie, catch a fee for say, Omoma Ede, Omobusia for, and Toma John Mahama, and Yadi Adeno. Majority of you boggers are Moto Abano. My wife attacks my dear majority, my wife will help you if you guys who artists are to me member or who's a bit to me man club I man now my wife for him to be out every day my wife to watch me yeah. So there's something happening at the Tema Port, and what is happening in the say especially more boggers and more bruching when I was some concentration course, especially in Yansafona moto abase sebio port wo nyoma entumi fluid yentumi tete nyoma so cars amode ba na bu containers amode ba na aban bi beba obetie musufre se na be amoso betumi nyoma be fia munuanom ene mubusuafo no so at least they can get something doing, because we all know that the shipping and export or the importing of stuff into Ghana, no, one way or the other, it creates jobs for other people back home. Ekufuado ne ba omi abetena so no, and we have seen a decline the number of containers aboges to me the because of the high taxes more the car could report and there's something we a bugger not so a bugger papa wouldn't say from 2012 all the way to 2016 buggers were able to bring containers home almost to me clear without any hustle until sa achichide with twice on a abozege mobile power, and we saw the increment in everything at the port. Now buggers mena me information muntie me. And this is the time you need to let your voices be heard, because media can give the facts. It's up to us to push. And this goes to the NDC administration coming into office. Now, there's something happening at the Tema Port. And what is happening in the say, in Kofo we are moving from Maimuino, Casa what Tema Port, Amoboges, Ayamodia, Mupesikabe, you know, they are taking the cars out and giving to their party people. Omode Mamba. So Tema Port is here. There are a lot of cars right now as we speak. This NPP government, they are moving all the cars out. So car did 2 days and what they are doing now, and they say they know they are leaving power, they know they are getting out. More cars port where they are finding way to say the more way delay and that is what they are doing now. In fact, I think 2020 there was one gentleman near Freno a year Konkonsa no Jubilee House Mokai. That guy in the ding Eddie a year Dominic Oponwe J. Somewhere around 2020 in the sea. That guy is in America right now, and I see him every day, and the time will be due, because you see that guy not Oyejumo Jubilee House. This is the guy. This guy. Sorry. Name picture. Yeah, this is the guy, and he lives here in America. Now Oyejumo Jubilee House, he was in charge of transport. The dean edit Dominic Oponwe J. I've heard they say Jubilee House, I'm an America. He's here, and I'll try and get you people his address. The crime this guy committed in Ghana, America, no, I'm telling you, we didn't see that. That way he was in charge, and before I'm about Tema Port issue, what these people do when it comes to cars, buggers, listen to me. And the John Mahama administration, they are ready to help. But these people no, some mama money and come from na monitor. Mo beka se John Mahama di mo boni, John Mahama nye mo hwe. Let us monitor these people because boni o mudi ni sisi ano. In the next 2-3 weeks no, asem ebesi no. You people will have no idea. And ebe ya se boga okawa abrochiri na at the end of the day, ye dey check MPP girl. Ye dey check MP ladies for Bawumia, ladies for Ekufuado. Ebe ya se obeba na oka, o the Range Rover ba, o the V8 aba, o the DND aba, na dey check party ni bi because omnim some free power. There's a reason why me cover that story where about this gentleman no ye juma wo Jubilee House. Now oye in charge of the transport. Sa man we at a point cars about 16 V8 boy we atwini nyina irae otoni nyina excavators be 18 this guy sa de ni see you know some kai sa story na and a free pare e catch media houses ni nyina say nobody should report the story because majority of the cars no na free pare ye dem on okoton ye enti omo ye sa de ni see you know and omo kill story no. In fact, the story was published in the news. These are the cars Dodo Abrantie we Tema na oye head of transport Jubilee House. Oria yebesi na. We don't know where all these cars are. I'll come to the Tema Port issue. Mitchell BB. Okay. So Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis number. Sakas na under that guy, saga I'm the picture chire mo no head of transport of Jubilee House no. Kasa oria ya yehu cars na chibiem. 18 excavators ebesi na yehu biem. Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis number blah blah blah. Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis. This V8 ne sakas when you besi na yehu biem. That is why Fremont Paramaka so mesha America. In that I speak, this guy are not our friend konkonsa and din ede Dominic upon the head of transport Jubilee House. He's in America here. And all these cars as we speak, we can't find it. We cannot find them. They are gone. The excavators are gone. And this guy is hiding here with the money. I know he lives around Maryland somewhere. He's around here. And this is something that is about to happen again. Now, let me show you what is happening at Tema Port. Bogus na mutim no. Worship car. Say Kufuado ebe free power mujimia omobeton car no. Almost start check cars, no. Almost start yima party foot soldiers. You have to be very, very, very careful. Mama muni embra from. Now, these are the cars, as I speak to you, they are actually giving out. Cars free Tema Port. They are moving all these cars, and we will publish this list. You will see, say, list of overstayed vehicles and motorbikes for publications. Tema. Inti almost say when you na demorage achomo almost twi when you na fam. This is what is happening at the port, and the good thing is we have been able to investigate Akodu point now. Sir officers who are leading this, no, we have chats, we have phone conversations. Officers are many Jubilee House for Konaive, Lord Komi, and Captain Kodamo, and Gabio Chedakuma. All these cars and your casket were just one page of what I am telling you. And these are cars that belongs to you bogus. Almost shada and delay cars, no. And as I speak, bare 100 they are taking all these cars out. And the good thing is, yenimo officials custom officials MPP4 Jubilee House, and that is what they are doing now. In this girls for Bawumia, boys for Mahama, Ekufuado, virgins for Fremont Parish, lesbian. Those kids, no, and so when you see the list, we have a publishing list on our site, on Loud Silence TV, on With All Due Respect page. You will see, check it or chassis number, not check your car. We are talking about serious cars, motorbikes. Almost in the demorage at show on person turning in our. And the funny thing is, they are not selling it and taking money, they are giving it out. That is what they are doing. They are giving the cars out for free because position or also cars in the position. And this goes to the bogus. This is what you have been talking about. This government has never helped bogus. Majority of properties are Ghana. Na sanko fo we aje. Majority of Ghana. Na MPP are buying we aje. There are some people are almost losing beer under this government, and these are some of the things that worries Ghanaians because you will be abroad or the car ba Some woman the chance obey car. Almost no. No more the taxes are better so. No more be to steal these cars. Where one page. Opel, your Hyundai, your 2024 cars, 2024, 2023. These are all accurate. Mercedes Benz, your Kia Prado, Nissan, your Toyota Corollas. I'm sure another page. There's the second page. Opel Meriva, Toyota Yaris, Chevys, motorbikes, so many of them. And what I can tell you as a Ghanaian, we are boga o shepon yomakofi ma weni na ho o cars no the cars no MPP for us start to trick cars no the chair the UCC majority of esikafo mo Ghana ene eye more garages ya onkofo bi o car garages o Ghana cars esu nyina stolen cars hono de kwakosi two car na da kosi obi garage bibi oton car into them their front car mu e bia 5 10 20 na esiwo omega so bogus the new cars about omoboa. These are motorbikes, cars, MPP are buying as started the chiche. So after this, I will publish everything. Wait, so many of them. And the officers at the port doing this, we have your contact, we have your chat. Officers need become more port one or cars be about 50 cars officers nafa. And you see, this is what hurts. Because abai besisa, we need to pay attention to these things. Abai we omo Jimmy konfomi akromfo. We are not supposed to give them space. Into our brochura, you need to add your voice to this. You be publish it, go through it. Oka woma need to follow up because omo edicas na me mamba omo chiche. Me to my catcher say yo hini bi Ghana ha or Eastern region or you be 20 akoma no. Omo chiche cars now around. I know what I'm telling you. So do not play with this. Toyota Vitz, Honda Accord, Ford F250, Ford F150, Nissan Frontier, Nissan Rogues, Hyundai's, Nissan X, Mercedes Benz GLS 450, Volvo Trackhead. Sign your money as I speak to you. The NPP is a crazy party. Sorry as bogus. I am doing this for bogus. I want you people to understand and your personal. Your person and then you cannot pay even taxes at the port. It's too much. And this is what John Mahama is talking now. I've been talking about. They want to help solve these problems. John Mahama on the sea terminal Habo, the second phase, you see how beautiful it is. Yeah. Because every time I say John Mahama ton, I on ton is Ghana. Because for some people for Jimmy. So we need to get serious and aggressive. These are the cars. Don't underestimate the MPP. When you know Bebre or somebody be called Abidjan, somebody be other countries. Bogus and cars Tema Port. Mon starting your calls. Media Bamon Kasama can't more. Mon starting your calls. You better publish it. Everything on our page tonight after the show. Go there, pick the documents, go through and find your car. Nebusa buying this car no way. John Mahama will be president from the 7th of January. John Mahama nyanya president. Ya tunu swaba mane wini. Ye nyam fa Ghana and share nensa. Inti kwa siebi to Maryland. No kacha will say John Mahama aba na 5 days ni John Mahama nchi obi akaje nsene ma me we Jimmy enya sani ya chechire mai. John Mahama will be president from the 7th of January. Right now is Ekufuado ne Bawumia ne lead Ghana. Omo mu lead Ghana. Omo president. Omo taking decisions. The air cost so ewo airport wo nyina na Ekufuado na making decisions no. Bawumia ne Samira Bawumia, let me tell you. Samira Bawumia owo a dying apartment called 150 wakra. Samira Bawumia nkwa. Yeah. Samira Bawumia a dying. Samira Bawumia or 150. Don't underestimate these people. You made the right decision by voting against them. Now you don't have to rest. We need to make sure say ya GBBR because bogus into me nyejuma abruchi na kwasi ebi ntina Ghana and form candy. No. The thing called demurrage or see a twem. It is very important say sa demurrage near the adeni yebe twem because sa eno ne mamu eye that opportunity. Sa nkwasi afodi bi no more port wono any politicians bi se kufu adom ne ba omiamo to steal from us. We need anything John Mahama say they are going to try and make sure say importers mo kra nyoma ediba Ghana ene mo ship nyoma ko Ghana exporters no what John Mahama person me and some catch say they want to have specialized banks for you people. Mobet many banks they din komo edi eyensa woso in the bank no kwa also me swame o me kokompe media me crack engines media me crack cars sika me here am no crack cars no 200 million cedis right now no sa banks no omo den omo warehouses port ho into kwa dey now car bedru now the bank na negotiate no yi car na kwesi dey akwesi ne garage ho that means say untua demurrage bia efa Tema port now car no ne bank na ka because bank no on charge with demurrage now when na ka say na obetua that is how it works. That's how you help the citizens. And na John Mahama ka say sa na wo se ye no into your bag na okra onyoma eduru port bank on ndi adwuma no na bank na be yi nyoma na kogu ne warehouse into when the government of Ghana ni demurrage bia ade ache and utua 20,000 dabi wo de when the bank na ka say bibia be cost 2 million Ghana oba nyoma ne be report na bank na assist no move nyoma nyina kogu ne warehouse into one demurrage is gone uni ekabia ho into sika wo de kwakofa nyoma no esonte now the bank reading card na say that say okay sa sika muji me the 3 months betua if you say me nyoma we the 3 months na sa na bank ne no waka interest no say 3 months say the beye say 1 year say the beye say 2 days when the bank na can nice no you nyoma kofie now o capital da ho when na John Mahama e ka so pese oye kwasiafo we da ho tete aban mu emienya emma omoba aburuchire betena mpa so ebe bi omahan mu style omunya bi da na ende paper nti yetumi bomb to no omoma pem ban enso omo beji because omo pekrata mema san kwasi afode ndada o right now yenko enim I want to send some message out there. Sometimes when my team we put things out and you say be a time will be and we hate people. There's nothing I'll put and answer my team will put on my platform and you're verified. No. And I want to set some records here. And let me tell you one thing. There are so many people I know Mejuma were affected I couldn't do anything about. And there are some people, sometimes I'm about to do their scandal. They talk to me and I tell them I can't do anything about it. And they are all over the place. They know it be NPP, it be NDC. So it is not like a personal. Your funny people who time say the best come wasem. Answer Rebecca Simbo Hana near verification no at checking who say right now no. After our break, we are going to go full force. Illegal mining in Ghana. Guys, mamika bibin chiremo. The gold for oil no. Sika amanfu ewia every munsemu no. I swear to God. Sa gold for oil na ba omi adebaye no. The theft, the amount of money they have stolen through Bank of Ghana. So utibia, you will not understand. And there are some boys today in Ghana. For about 4, 5, 6 years, they thought to say, "Sa power kakrana MPP by omunya eninti." And a typical example is this guy. Saga, your friend, your son Apia. This guy, he's a gold dealer. This is the guy. Some time back, Kumasi, there was a gold buyer. Sa kwano Kumasi no a call Eastern region. Eastern region or Galam say a hono to gold. My boy is no more sense as not to good. This guy, Jubilee House, and Eshenichi. This guy, there was a man in Kumasi who also could be in the shop our Eastern region. Udu enyinem area who are pretty free. Sakwa we your friend your son Apiano. Me say you could break the bar. I'm off with Danny name. This guy, the damage he has done to people. Me say a typical example, a young man we know Kumasi or Eastern region also not otuto good legitimately. Akwawe efa boys are not double the DNM. They went to threaten that guy. Echi tuo sinito eka chere say adentina ono aba eye Eastern region otuto good too much into a territory. This guy Emma okituo sisaga and so say all free Eastern region. Emma double mo Jubilee House na just wichi and the crimes this boy has committed say okay can say Bichenko say I supported some NDC MPs to come to parliament. What bodam? You supported NDC MPs to come to parliament. Intelligence say you get out of you go through the cracks like that. You are crazy. NDC MP for mo meje wo kwasia. This guy only use double mo and omo boat war Ghana. Utu fia no ma rush wo fia. They did that to a friend e Kumasi, a legitimate gold buyer. Akwa we the double mo ko twi two on so. This boy your friend your snapia. Me be chell krono mo go for oil na board. This boy sika o matam ewiwe. These are the boys power sign no mo dwen say power will never leave the NPP. Bonia boys we dino. And me be chemo the transactions. A wood dear boy we deal double mo NPP vigilante boys e di Ghana. Heh. Utumi tina Kumasi na kwa we. Ya my instructions every Utumi catch us a Jubilee House say this guy.
Please subscribe, comment, and
but
share
he never
for
thought
more
to
content.
say power best sa. Me didn't come and I'm coming to do a serious job for Ghanaians to know this guy is not supposed to work on the streets of Ghana, so could jail.
Thank you so much for watching. Kindly don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay safe till we meet in the next one. I love you and it's bye for now.